got Maple and Cobby playing again. He's such a cutie patootie. You two are silly. That's right, you pull her across the lawn. That's right. To think there was no grass here 2 months ago. Isn't this amazing? This is 3 bags of seed. Good boy. That's right. You pull. Good boy. Oh, did you growl at him? Don't be growling at him. Look how cute he is. Hi, cutie pie. Aw, okay. Well, I guess we're done.